This video is about removing the ransomware called Pthh. By the way, this ransomware is from the DJVU ransomware family. My video, though, is only for educational purposes. In the video, I will show you the negative impact of the ransomware on the files and will give you some recommendations on how to protect your files. I got the sample of this ransomware on the virus total database. Once again, I'm not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting this ransomware. Also, I want to let you know that I cannot help you to recover the files. So before the ransomware's attack, users are able to open their files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documentation, and all other data. Regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Pthh ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the device. And then very soon users realize that they can no longer access their files because of this Pthh ransomware. The ransomware is called like that because it encrypts the files and appends a special Pthh extension to the file names. The ransomware then tells the victims that that users need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This doesn't guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money, so don't pay it. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of a reliable antivirus program such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Go to the page combocleaner.com. So combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and then start researching your computer. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, and only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. So click on Start Scan button, and after you do that, the software will start updating its anti-malware database. Don't skip this very important step. And then once the anti-malware database gets successfully updated, the software begins scanning, researching, and investigating the computer. Combo Cleaner, by the way, has got anti-ransomware feature. It helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the data, but it does not decrypt the files. Keep this in mind. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Some threats can be removed manually, but I recommend you to upgrade to Premium, and you can request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. And speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more information on how to recover your data.